Alright, may nagtatanong, may Spotify daw ba? Tara, subukan natin sa Google TV Box. Using Hey Google, search Spotify.
Here's Spotify, music and podcasts on the Google Play Store.
So meron siya, tap install. Now select open. Login through QR code. Now scan it using your mobile phone and select pair. And that's it. You are now ready to stream Spotify.